Namaste, yoga friends. My name is Doreen Foxwell. Welcome to today's Kids Yoga Meets Astrology. I wanted to share with you today's astrology energy that is happening this weekend. It started today on Saturday, and it has to do with the planet Mars. And it is something that will not happen for another year or two. The planet Mars is the planet of action. It also is the planet of war and confrontation, but it's the action part that you need to think about for your child and for yourself. If there's anything that your child has been putting off doing, now is the time to start that. If there's anything you've been putting off doing, now is the time to use this energy because the planet Mars is what's called conjunct. I know, conjunct, it's a fancy astrology word. Basically, the sun and Mars are traveling together. They're like partners. But what happens from the sun, it kind of magnifies the energy of that planet's characteristics. And so Mars alone is a very strong planet. But with the sun amplifying the energy, think of when we went from old school telephones to new cell phones, or when we went from dial up to wireless. I mean, it's kind of like that. It is like, whoo, is happening. And so, one of the things that might happen from this intense energy, you might suffer, and your child might, from headaches. I have a major headache, and I believe part of it is this Mars energy, because for me, my astrology chart ruler is the sun. So when the sun is involved, it really affects me. And good things are happening in my own life that are pushing forward super speed, but my head is not liking it. So I wanted to show you one or two things you can do for your child if they do suffer from headaches. It's a really big problem. Lots of children suffer from headaches. My own son got unfortunately took after me and gets migraines too, ever since he was a kid. And so a cool, dark place is always the best when you suffer from a headache, but that's not always possible when they're in school and they pretty much, that's their work, that's their life. So what I'm going to show you is how to take your hands and pull back on your forehead and pull back on your head to the very back of your top of your neck. And then take your hands and gently press your fingers and pull back across your temples and pull back to the back of your head side. And then by your sinuses, under your eyes and your nose, and pull that energy back. And rest your hands for a moment on the nape of your neck, I believe is what it's called back there. Just leave it there for a moment and close your eyes and breathe. And breathe. And may the energy of Mars bring you lots of abundance in the coming year or two until this conjunction between the sun and Mars happens again. Namaste. Have a great yoga day.